Disconnected systems frustrate customers and impede growth. But what if your e-commerce storefront and back-office operations worked as one? Acumatica's native BigCommerce connector makes it happen with just a few mouse clicks. You get a robust business management and commerce platform without the complexity or high costs. Your customers' e-commerce orders, payments, shipments, invoices, and inventory data flow seamlessly and bidirectionally between your BigCommerce stores and Acumatica's comprehensive business platform. This means more sales, delighted customers, more accurate and timely information, and the freedom to focus on growing your business instead of manually importing and exporting data between disconnected systems. Let's see how easy it is. Set up and manage inventory items for your BigCommerce storefront within Acumatica. Here, you can manage item details, including default prices. You can also manage customer-specific prices and promotional discounts for more complex B2B and B2C scenarios. Next, add item descriptions and product images directly or link them from a URL. This information is pushed into BigCommerce. You can even assign categories to ensure your products appear precisely where you want them on your e-commerce site. Now let's jump to your BigCommerce storefront. Your new product is live, complete with the correct price, sale information, images, and description. Inventory levels are harmonized and updated in real time. Watch how effortlessly orders flow. When a customer places an order on your BigCommerce site, it's automatically imported into Acumatica as a sales order, along with all payment and customer details. No manual entry, no clunky exports and imports, and no duplicate data. In Acumatica, you can view the order details, including the BigCommerce order number. Order details are displayed on sales order lines with the correct price. Orders for existing customers are applied to their accounts, while new customers are created automatically for B2C scenarios. This includes customer billing and ship-to addresses. Payments made on the BigCommerce platform are applied to the order and corresponding invoice. Acumatica supports the rest of the order fulfillment process, including the shipment details, with freight rate shopping, carrier selection, shipment tracking links, and carrier label printing. Your customers can view synchronized data from Acumatica within BigCommerce. For example, they can see the order status has changed to shipped. They can also track the shipment using the tracking link generated from Acumatica's connected carrier system. The native BigCommerce connector is a popular choice for manufacturers who sell B2B or direct-to-consumer. Fulfill orders from stock or make-to-order with an end-to-end manufacturing suite. Distributors and retail merchants thrive with BigCommerce and Acumatica for faster order cycles and streamlined pick, pack, and ship processes, thanks to the embedded WMS application. Are you ready to explore how Acumatica and BigCommerce can fuel your growth and omni-channel success? Contact us today to schedule a personalized demonstration.